Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 8th chapter, that is reproduction and adolescence. In previous video already we have discussed about that different types of that, what is that endocrine glands and their hormone secretion of the hormones. But students, today we are going to discuss about that, especially about that what is the adolescence and puberty. Friends, adolescence means what? What do you mean by adolescence? Adolescence is one of the periods where that body can get the capacity to the maturity of the reproduction. That means when that body can exist, can capable to that reproductive maturity. That is called as a that period is called as a adolescence periods or adolescence phase. Okay, so you know that period, friends, when the growth, when it will start. Now when the child is born, from the day of that born, the growth is starting. Okay, the growth will continue from that child or the baby is born. Okay, so there are so many different stages are followed by that rapid growth. There are different stages are following. Okay, from the born to till death. Okay, so there are, what are that? One is infancy. First stage of that child is was infancy. Second stage, that is the childhood. Third stage, that is called as a adolescent phase, and a fourth stage, that is called as a adulthood stage. Okay, that is the fourth stages already I have written: infancy, childhood, adolescence and adulthood stages. Okay students, so first of all we have to get that idea about that, what is that about that infancy, childhood and adolescence phase and adulthood stages. Then after we will discuss about that, what is that adolescence and puberty. Okay, so let us discuss in this video about this. See, the growth begins from the day baby is born. The various stages of the growth in humans are, what are that? Infancy, childhood, adolescence and adulthood. So growth begins where? From the baby is born. Which time that baby born, from that time to the growth will start. But it varies, that different phases, different stages are there. One is the infancy stage, childhood stage, adolescence, next adulthood. So first of all we will discuss about that, what is the infancy stage or what is that periods. The period of the growth of the baby from birth to about 2 years of the age is called as infancy. Students, when the child was born, from the time to, okay, up to 2 years age of the 2 years, that age, that during that period is called as infancy. And what is that childhood? The period of growth from 2 years to 11 years. When that child was 2 years, end of that infancy period, from the 2 years above, that means 2 years to up to 11 years, that period we can say that is called as a childhood periods. Okay, now third stage is this called as adolescence phase. Okay, or teenagers also we can say, teenagers we can tell that. So adolescence period phase, what is that? Now their ages, that this started from the 11 years to 18 or 19, that is generally 13 years to 19, but when the adolescence period will start also from the 11 years. Okay, the period of growth which starts from age of 11 years to 18 or 19, the age is called as adolescent phase. Okay, adolescent phase. Adolescents are also called as teenagers when that age 13 to 19. These periods, adolescence periods will start that from 11 to 18 or 19, but teenagers, which one we can say, that is called as 13 to 19. During that period it is called as also teenagers. Okay, that's child we can say that teenagers we can say. Okay, the definition of that adolescence, the period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to productive maturity. When the body is ready to maturity or it is capable to reproductive maturity, then we can say it is called as a, what is that? Adolescence. Okay, it is called as a adolescence. What is that then? Puberty. the time when the child body starts turning into adult body. When that body it is ready, we can say now he is becoming just like an adult. When that our growth, secondary sexual characters are growth, body physical changed. Okay, that time we have to say that it is now the frame of the adult, that is called as a puberty. Okay students, so we will now discuss about that what are the changes at the puberty. In the during this puberty, what are the changes? Okay, means whenever the adolescents are get that ages or child, at that time what is the puberty, what are the changes of at a puberty, we will see. Okay students, so now what is the changes at puberty? Now when that these changes at puberty, when that adolescence periods it will come, at that time during these periods that it changes that what both physical and psychological changes of that baby. Okay, so when that during these periods what will happen, mainly that two hormones also secreting and some body changes are coming, some different sexual characters, reproductive organs are changing, so different things which one during these periods are changing. So let us see that both physical and psychological changes take place at the puberty. Second, during the puberty, two main types of hormones are secreting. One growth hormones and second one is sexual hormone. Okay, for the of the boy and a girl. That means during this time, during this puberty or change of the puberty, at that time what will happen? That sexual hormones and growth hormones also developing. Okay. Next, some changes of during the puberty. There are increasing in height, changes in the body shape, changes in the voice, development of sex organs, development of secondary sexual characters, psychological changes, reaching mental and intellectual and emotional maturity. So, first of all, increasing in height. When suddenly the growth of the child or the height of the child will very fast, rapidly it will increase. Second, change in the body shapes, the shoulders and the body muscles, it will be also changes and it will be strong and hard. Change in voice, suddenly our that vocal cavities, that our voice fragrance, it will be changed. Suddenly when that it will be reach at the adolescence periods, at that time what will happen? It changes its voice it will be increased. And development of sex organs, that our that internal that physical that sex organs also it will be changes, it will be developed. And development of secondary sexual characters like mustache, beard, it will be also developed. So these are the things. And psychological, we are mentally we will be think and will be strong and will intellectually also will be developed, will be get that confidence and also emotional. Okay, and nextly we will think about that we can able to do this, we are capable to do this, and we have the confidence. So during this adolescence phases. Okay students, so these are all about that changes of the puberty. Thank you all of you students, have a nice day.